Hello everyone. In today's session, we are discuss about some basics regarding the nucleic acids. So, what are nucleic acids? What is the history of nucleic acid? Who discovered the nucleic acids? So, that is we have need to discuss. So, nucleic acid, it is first discovered by Friedrich Miescher by the Pus cells, or in other words, is that the leukocytes. They given the name is at the nuclein. What is the nuclein? Nuclein is a chemically nucleoprotein, some kind of nucleoprotein. Later, another scientist have given the name that as a nucleic acid, that his name as Richard Hartmann. He getting the first protein-free material in the year of 1889. Hence, he given the name nucleic acid. So, what is nucleic acid? The nucleic acid is a polymer of nucleotides. In other words, says that the nucleotides are the monomers of nucleic acids. In the nucleic acids, there are two kinds, especially they are DNA and RNA. The DNA stands for the deoxyribose nucleic acid. The RNA stands for the ribose nucleic acids. So, then what are the nucleotides? So, the nucleotides are the monomers of nucleic acids. They are having the each and every nucleic acid having the three components. The first one is base, which is said to be nitrogenous base, which is having a nitrogen atom. The second one is the 5 carbon sugar, nothing but a pentose sugar. The third component is said to be an atom or an ion of a phosphoric acid. Okay, so this is regarding small basics of the nucleic acids. Okay, thank you.